I bought the super expensive minerals and salt rock for them because I want them to have healthy lambs. Healthy, pretty lambs.
So we're out on a walk on Tuesday lunchtime and winter's back.
So Agnes has started to get quite a bit of milk. And also Anne, that one. Anna is a bit behind with milk, but you never know, it can go fast. So we're getting close. Lammies.
Are you girls happy in the snow? No. Oh, poor little princesses.
In Leksand small, which is like the Leksand language, we call this bös. She's addicted to the bös. So they're milk filled, and they kind of have this reaction when you touch them. They kind of stop, and then they kind of put their bum down, because I think they're getting ready for lambs. So she's not far off. I'm so excited! I'm so excited! For some reason, bears walk past here in spring. Like, you don't see them here ever, except tracks in springtime. And the twice I've seen them, I don't know, it's like they claw the trunk of these spruces. I don't know if it feels good or something, because it's like big claw marks like that. Some kind of spring claw scratch. I don't know what it is. What do you call this in English, like this?
Sap.
So the sap has to be quite old, but not too old. And me and my brother, when we were kids, we kind of figure out the perfect age of the sap to make it not too sticky for your teeth. But you have to work it in your mouth a fair bit before you can chew it. But I'm gonna show you. Yeah, so now it works.